Hello students, now in the statistics we uh, we are doing exercise 3.4 in that sum number 1 that we have done. Now sum number 2. Now let us first of all read the sum. That following table shows the data about distance traveled in kilometer by salesmen on different days. Find D3, D8, P62 and interpret them. Now first of all, distance traveled in kilometer, that is continuous. See here classes you can see, so continuous frequency distribution is given, the number of days that is given, right? So now let's start the sum. Now see here D3, D8 and P62 that is given to solve. Now see here in this table we do not have to do much working, we only have to find out cumulative frequency, that is CF. Now see class intervals I have written, number of days that is written. Now only find out continuous frequency, because in the main formula we require only continuous frequency. So continuous frequency that we know how to find out. First of all, first frequency write down as it is, then 5 plus 18 comes 23, 23 plus 24 comes 47, 47 plus 7 comes 54, 54 plus 5 comes 59, 59 plus 1 comes 60. So 60 that is our continuous frequency, 60 that is our n. Okay, now we first of all take Q3 to find out, right? Now value of first of all we write down whenever continuous frequency is given, at that time our main formula is this: L plus 3 in bracket n by 4 minus CF upon F multiplied by C, right? All these values we have, but what about L? L means lower limit. Which lower limit we take? So for that, for the lower limit we require any class, right? So which class we take? Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 classes are given. So haphazardly we cannot select any class. So for that we require any particular class. So for that class there is another formula, that value this formula which we apply for the raw data and discrete series, that own formula we only take, that is value of j in bracket n by 4th observation, right? So 3 and that is 60, 60 upon 4th observation. If you simplify this, then 45 comes. Now we require class. This is the only single value. So what we do? See, 45 we check in the series of CF. So 45 lies over here. 45 lies over here in the 47, right? 47 में 45 include हो जाएगा. So this CF's class, that is 200 to 300, that is our class distribution for the Q. यहाँ पे जो CF आएगा, that we have to check that where it falls. So it falls in the series of 47. 47 में 45 that is included. So this CF's class interval, that is our class. So 200 to 300, that is our model class. This we call as model class, right? Okay. So now our main formula is this: lower limit. So now we take 200 to 300 class lower limit. So that is 200. So write down 200. Then 3 in bracket and that is 60. 60 upon 4 minus now CF. Now see here there are 6 CF. So now what we take? Model class previous class CF, that is our present CF. मतलब ये हमने क्लास सिलेक्ट किया, उसके प्रीवियस उसके आगे वाले क्लास का CF, that is our CF. So 23 फ्रीक्वेंसी में सेम क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी, that is 24. यहाँ पे मैं लिख दूँ दिस इज़ F एंड दिस इज़ CF फॉर Q. Q लिख दूँ तो आपको पता चले कि Q के लिए है. So 24 multiply by 100. Now you simplify these. So 200, so 91.67 comes. So our answer, that is 291.67. Now here in this question it is given that interpret them. Interpretation, that means statement. So below this we write down one statement that the maximum distance in the least traveled 75% days will be 291.67 kilometers. This is the statement you write down, right? Q3, that means covered 75% value. Now the D8. For the D8 also we apply the same method, right, as we have applied in quartiles. First of all we find out model class. This is called as model class, right? Okay. Now we write down first of all formula, value of j in bracket n by 10th class. This then after 8 into this is the decile, so n is, that is 60 upon 10. So simply if you simplify this, so 48 comes. Now 48 where it falls in the CF, 48 falls in the 54 में ये फॉल्स करेगा, मतलब ये 47 यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, 48 यहाँ पे इंक्लूड होगा, राइट? सो इट्स class, that is our model class. So 300 to 400. Now we write down main formula, D8 is equals to L plus J in bracket n upon 4 minus CF upon F multiplied by C. So 300 to 400 class, that is our lower limit. So 300 plus 8 in bracket 60 upon 10 minus 47 upon 7 multiplied by 100. So now you simplify this. So 14.29 comes. So D8 is equals to 314.29. So this is our answer. Now again below this you write down one statement that D8 that decile में कहाँ तक जाएंगे, 9 तक जाएंगे, 1 to 9 आपको याद हो तो, राइट? 9 पार्ट्स जो है डिसाइल के 9 पार्ट्स है वो डिसाइल को प्रूव करेंगे. So below this write down one statement that now this is the decile 8 is given, that means 80% value covered here. So maximum distance in the least traveled 80% days will be 314.29 kilometers. Now percentile 62 now. Now again same formulas we apply as we have applied for decile and quartiles. So value of J, here I have directly written 62. So J in bracket n upon 100th observation, right? Then J, that means 62. So 62 in bracket n is 60 upon 100th observation. So 37.2 observations. So now P62, this 37.2 where it lies, that lies in this line 47, right? So 47's this class, that is our model class. So we take 200 to 300 as our model class. So now we write down formula, then lower limit, that is 200. So 200 plus, write down these values. Now 200's 300, that is our model class. Its previous class CF, that is our CF, and its present class frequency, that is our frequency. So now you put up all the values, simplify that. So P62 comes 259.17 kilometers. Now see here percentile. This percentile is given, 62 is given, so there is 62%. So maximum distance in the least traveled 62% days will be 259.17 kilometers, right? So this is how we solve sum for